and welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and on OneSpotMedia.com.
Up first this evening, news and politics. With the deadline approaching for local government elections to be held, it appears more Jamaicans are becoming disinterested in the voting process.
But for those who intend to vote, who will they vote for, the JLP or the PNP?
Andrea Chisholm has the answer.
The last local government election was held in 2016. After multiple postponements, anticipation is building and some are counting down to 2024. The election has to be called by February. This was Prime Minister Andrew Holness at the JLP's annual conference in November.
Next year, at a date to be announced, at a time of my choosing, we will be going back to the people on the local government elections. We have no fear in facing the people of Jamaica. We know that there is a generation of Jamaicans who were not born in the 1970s. And they have no clue as to how the other party destroyed Jamaica.
Days later, a rebuttal from opposition leader Mark Golding at a party meeting in East Central St. James.
Why do you think they never call local government election on Sunday at them conference? Because them can't cross it. Them know so the people are in them again. Because the people tired of the lies and the deception and the corruption. The people want a new wind of change. It's not a Roman boom mission we're on. It's not a dig out and make a mission with the pan. It's a mission to rescue the country for ourselves and our children and generations to come.
So if an election is called, who would people vote for? Pollster Don Anderson put the issue to 1,015 registered voters island-wide. 23% of respondents said they would vote for the JLP and 22% for the PNP. 18% are undecided. Interestingly, 37% said they will not be voting for either parties. Now, in Primetime News Sunday, we told you that 40% of respondents said they would not vote in the upcoming local government elections. Mr. Anderson also asked respondents what could get people to vote. 21% said nothing, 16% said jobs, and 10% said if they personally benefit. Others wanted infrastructure such as road, light and water to be fixed and for political representatives to be more visible in the constituency. Transparency and accountability, as well as the mandate of the parties, are also triggers to get people out to vote. The Don Anderson poll was done between November 24 and December 7 and has a margin of error of ±3%. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.